Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This guide explains how to connect Visual Studio Code to Salesforce step by step. First, install Salesforce CLI, Visual Studio Code, and the Salesforce extensions. Create a Salesforce Developer Edition org and note the username and password for authentication. In Salesforce Setup, create a connected app, enable OAuth, and record the consumer key and consumer secret. Set a redirect URI of http://localhost 1717 for the connected app to support browser login. Confirm API access and check the connected app policies for token expiration and IP restrictions. Open a terminal and authenticate using the Salesforce CLI with a browser login command. Run sfdxforce auth web login my org to authenticate with a browser window and select your Developer Edition org. After successful login, set the default username with sfdxconfig set default username equals my org so CLI commands target the right org. Create a local project using sfdxforce project, create n project name, and then open it in Visual Studio Code. Install the Salesforce extensions pack and enable the Apex language server for code intelligence. Retrieve metadata from your org using Salesforce CLI retrieve commands before editing. Use sfdxforce source retrieve mapex class, my class to pull specific metadata locally into your project. Edit Apex, Lightning Web Components, and configuration files inside Visual Studio Code with the Salesforce extensions enabled. When ready, deploy changes with sfdxforce source, deploy pforceapp/main/default, and check the CLI output for success or errors. Run tests with sfdxforce, Apex, test, run local tests, and resolve failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.